Mumukina wa kabiri wa saya UEFA Champions League hagati ya Arsenal na Real Madrid wabarai kri Santiago Bernabeu kru Arsenal and Real Madrid recently faced off in the UEFA Champions League quarter-finals, with Arsenal. First leg, the 8th of April 2025, Emirates Stadium, Arsenal dominated with a 3-0 win. Declan Rice was instrumental, scoring two direct free-kick goals, an unprecedented feat in a Champions League knockout match. Merino added a third goal, while Real Madrid's Eduardo Camavinga received a red card in stoppage time. Second leg, the 16th of April 2025, Santiago Bernabeu. Despite an early missed penalty by Bukayo Saka, Arsenal maintained control. Goals from Saka and Gabriel Martinelli secured a 2-1 victory on the night, with Vinicius Jr. scoring for Real Madrid. Historical he